vitamin D, dehydration.
Go fishing. Yan sa baba. Yan nakikita niyo ba yan guys?
Oh, it's a water buffalo?
Yeah.
So yan guys, nakakuha na po si Woo! Yan si Utol Raymart. So yan guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my Facebook page. For today's video, araw po ng Tuesday. Time is 1:22 na ng hapon. So punta pa tayo sa may farm ng aking bayaw at tayo mangunguha ng isda. So ayan guys, nandito po kami sa may bayak dumaan kasi pupduk po yung way going po sa fish ponds ng aking bayaw sa yung dati niya, and mangunguha tayo ng maraming isda. Mag-e-enjoy tayo doon yan. Alright, anyway, we're here in the Philippines with my son here and with my bayaw, the one who's driving for us today. Alright.
Golden skies, the sun goes low. Fields are quiet, rivers flow. Soft breeze whispers through the trees, carrying my memories. Dusty roads and simple days, lost in time and gentle ways.
Luckily, di siya umulan. Pero sobrang init. Pero okay pa rin yan. Sabi nga pala, vitamin D. To say something, that's what you in front. Jervis, sabihin ka?
Vitamin D, dehydration.
Vitamin D, dehydration daw. So yun, sabi ko, vitamin D, dehydration. Sabihin to say, we need to drink a lot of water. Super init na lang. So yan guys, malapit na po kami. Kaso sobrang tarik. Kaya? Yan yung kapatid ko. Yan. Sige. Kaya? So, dito po kami. Let's go! Yung challenge natin, tapakit na tayo. Yan o, fish pond ko. Oh, yeah. So, basta. Good. Tarik guys, pero as you can see, nandito na po kami sa may fish pond ng aking bayaw. Ayan guys, so mamimingwit tayo ng isda dyan guys. Nagdala po kami ng kama dito para may upuan kami at may higaan kung kami pagod na, at ibababa po namin siya. Alright, so ito yung aking kapatid na si Raymart, and he used his motorcycle.
Ayan, si Uncle Dennis.
Hello po, Uncle. Musta kayo?
Asawa ni Manang Michelle.
Hello, Uncle.
Kapsat na.
May gusto po kayong i-shout out. Kumusta, Uncle? Kumusta?
Ito yung anak
Anak ni Manong.
Kaso Inglesero, narigat ka tungtong. Bayaw, nadala nyo yung, saan natin nilagay yung kawit kanina at saka yung tali?
Nandito. Yung
Bati kung huwag manahin.
nandito ba yan? So, ang kaso ay may internet naman tayo, so pwede nating i-review kung paano yung pagtali nito, or
One signal dito.
siguro isa sa atin marunong
Uncle Dennis.
Uncle Dennis. Isa sa atin marunong maglagay. Alright. So yan guys, binubuhat na po namin yung kama. Mabigat to kasi kahoy. Tulong-tulong na lang po kami para
Gore, umakarap kita igid.
kasi iti pesto na
May
itong pesto para mas madali. Yan. So we will carry this bed all the way there. Sa may bahay-bahay.
Up.
Baba. Ganyan talaga, magbubuhat tayo.
Di nang to kahit nagsubli na yuan dito.
No, para ma-experience niya. You will become a real man. Babate pa lang, babate.
Ano ka lang? Sige na.
Pudot ka. Talaga sobra pudot ka. So, we will go fishing. Yan o, sa baba. Yan o, nakikita niyo ba yan, guys? Yan tayo mag-fishing. With my brother, my bayaw, and my son. Okay? Dati kahit may shoutout. Ito. Shoutout ka na.
Shoutout sa SPX
SPX.
Riders.
In San Agustin?
Agustin.
San Agustin. Okay. Shoutout sa inyo, guys. Ang ganda ng weather, oh. So, dito tayo mamimingwit. Yan.
Grabe yung big
Ha? Sige. Doggy. Pupunta na po kami doon sa may ano. At sa may kawayan. At kukuha pa tayo ng pamingwit. Yan o, may manok. Oh, there's a carabao there. Can you see the carabao?
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. You wanna ride? You wanna try and ride? Hello, carabao.
Gijay na lagkan lang.
So dito po tayo sa may kawayan, nagkukuha tayo ng ano.
Gijay na dagisin.
Yan, kuha tayo nga guys ng pamingwit natin.
You try.
You want to try and cut some bamboo?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. You can ask Tito. I don't know. How is the experience going here? Good?
Carabao just chilling there.
What?
Yeah, because it's hot. He wants to take a bath. That's why it's called a water buffalo.
Oh, it's a water buffalo?
Yeah.
So, tara, tayo manguha ng ano. Tulungan natin si Uncle. Mabalin kasi Uncle. Kasi nga pag banit, hangan nalapit. Mabalin Uncle. Yan si Uncle, anong pangalan niyo Uncle?
Dennis.
Uncle Dennis. Ito po yung kawayan na gagamitin po namin sa panghuli ng isda sa fish pond mamaya. Yan.
The near the chicken nga.
I'm not afraid. So yan guys, ngayon tutulan tayo ni Uncle Dennis kung paano ilagay yung hook at saka yung tali para sa ating pamimingwit. So watch and learn para may idea kayo kung paano siya gawin. Yan.
Electric pan ang kumadya yung gal.
Dalawa.
Pudot. Kinagid na.
Ganyan guys. Papasok nyo lang sa butas. Then, ikot. Yan, ikot-ikot nyo lang siya. Tapos tali ulit. Tapos hila. O yun, tapos na. Saglit lang na Uncle. Saglit lang siya. Yan. So, ito po yung ipapain po namin. Tawag dyan is intestine ng manok. They're trying to put the intestine on the hook. Like that. Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
And then?
Okay, let's fish now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
you
can fish. You can go down here.
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 This
This is the
go with
pan.
me nga.
Okay. No, you have to grab son. Come on.
Din. No, in case I fall lang.
For what? You have to balance yourself.
Can you get the cooler?
Why?
I will get one fish na eh.
Ay,
If you fall, it's fine. It's part of the process.
that is what you call experience, son. Come on, man.
May string.
Careful of your head.
There, doon ako mas maraming gumagalaw doon, oh.
Saan?
Doon sa doon.
Dito ba? Okay, let's try here. So, dito po tayo mamimingwit at si Yuan pong magta-try. Yan. Yan o. So, what will you say?
Hello, welcome back to my channel.
That's it?
Yeah.
No more?
No more.
So you have to say I will be the one to do this what do you call this one?
Catching.
Catching fish.
Yes. Are you ready, Dad? Mag-throw na ako, okay?
Yeah, try.
Which one?
Go for 2 kilos.
Dad.
So yan guys, nakakuha na po si Iwan, oh. Woo! What a catfish! Catfish guys, oh. Pang ilang kilo to?
Dad, get the ice cooler, please.
Ice cooler?
Dad, the ice box.
No, let's bring this one to Tito Jervis and
Let him see.
at namimingwit na po siya. At saka yung bayo ko nandun. Nakahubad po, oh. Partida daw. Partida.
Pangkakit.
Oh.
Sakit ng paltat.
So yun guys, nakakuha na po kami ng isang catfish. Isang sa Ilocano, paltat.
Let go of heavy loads. Nature speaks so tenderly in the whisper
Yan.
of the tree.
So wait, tol. Say something, bro. Come on, bro. How about you?
I got one fish.
I got one fish.
Yeah.
What do you call that fish?
Catfish.
Oh, oh, it's a prank, sabi ng fish. It's a prank, sabi ng fish.
Dad, let's see.
Huh?
I'm gonna try to touch the fish with this. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Let's try to touch the fish.
Don't be afraid, just touch the fish.
Okay, so this is the fish I got.
Oh. Oh.
Oy!
I think it's pregnant. Because it's
Hawakan nyo ba yung sa likod ng kilikili? Huwag nung hawakan sa harap.
oh, nagsingil na. Are you happy now?
Uy!
You got one fish.
Yeah.
So,
Okay naman.
okay naman.
Not lucky. You come here. Doesn't like me.
Yeah. Natol. Da. What's up?
Sa amin lamis dito yung aside. O kis na ba na kahit dan si Jika initan.
Ninala ko Jeff fishing rod project ba?
Kabagyan na ito eh. Panay itlog ata.
Babain sana.
Hmm.
Batin sa pa yan. Isulit tayo. Batit pa kaya na. Meron? Babae na.
Babae. Itlog yan oh. Yung bukol na yan.
Papad din tayo. Babae eh.
Ado, dunagyan na ata.
Bumsog eh. Oh, you go that side? Yeah, tol. So, wait ah. Hello!
Dito yung aside.
Ay, paltat ng dagajita na.
At dati dadakil dito yung kinidadig eh. Yung matado karga na aja ganyan.
Jibanger.
Paglinungan tayo kami ni Jai.
Yan guys, oh. Mimingwit na tayo. Sana maka 5 kilo tayo.
Ayun oh. Malaki yun oh.
Oo nga. Gumulaw dun, oh.
Puro kurak sa
Feed stickan ka rin da.
Gwen. Ang kalik ka nakman, Peds.
Kadalawa na po kaming isda. Dalawang huli na po kami. Yan. Yung kapatid ko, si Raymart. Hopefully he can catch the big one. Si Juan, nakadalawa na oh. Lucky yung ano mo ah.
Lucky daw. Skill eh.
Skill. Yun oh. Daming fish oh. Yun oh. Ayaw nila, ano sila. Mapili sila ng pagkain. Ayaw nila yung intestine.
May gamin pagalaan, alinta ko man.
Yan. Pero